Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet a ruffle flower. I will use this yarn, a button and a 3.5mm crochet hook. First of all, make a slip knot. Now make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3 and chain 4. Slip stitch into the first chain to form a ring. After that, make chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3 and start making double crochets into the ring. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, double crochet 5, double crochet 6. In this way, make total 11 double crochets into the ring. I have made total 11 double crochets into the ring. Now slip stitch into the third chain. Now we will work only in the front loops, not in the back one. So make a slip stitch into the first front loop. Make 3 chains, and after making 3 chains, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3 in the front loop. Same loop, 3 chain will be counted as a double crochet, so we have a 4 double crochet into the first loop. Now into the second loop, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and double crochet 4. That means in only front loops we will make 4 double crochets in each of the loop. Double crochet 3 and double crochet 4. Now into the next loop, only in the front one, again make 4 double crochets, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and double crochet 4. Repeat the process in all of the stitches. Now in the end, slip stitch into the third chain, pull the yarn over, cut it and remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of yarn needle, weave this yarn end. Now the first layer is ready. Now we will work in the back loops. Now make a slip stitch and in any of the back loop start working. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Now make double crochet 1, double crochet, 2. Now we have 3 double crochets. Chain 1 is counted as a double crochet into the same loop. Now into the next loop start making double crochets. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Now into the next loop make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Now again into the next loop make double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Repeat the process in all back loops. I have completed my second layer. Now make a slip stitch into the third chain and after that pull the yarn over, cut it, remove the extra yarn strand. Now with the help of yarn needle weave this end. Now the flower is ready. Feel free to add a button in the center if you want. So if you like the video, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.